In this video, I will explain you what is logistic regression with examples. So let's start this video. So logistic regression is used in supervised learning, and in supervised learning used in classification. So what is classification? Classification means putting something in a category. For example, you bought a new car and you are putting it in a category of new or old. So you will put it in a category of new. So that is classification. So here is another example. You are predicting car is new or old. So here is car age, which is independent variable, and here is dependent variable, which is new or old. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this is continuous data, and 0, 1, this is categorical data. 0, 1 is binary, which also can means yes or no. 0 means new, 1 means old. So the difference between independent and dependent variable is that dependent variable is the variable which we predict the value, and independent variable is the variable on the basis of that we predict the value of dependent variable. So the difference between linear regression and logistic regression is that in linear regression there is both continuous data, independent and independent variable, whereas in logistic regression independent variable is our continuous data, and whereas dependent variable is our categorical data. We can have multiple independent variable, but we can have only one independent variable, which means yes or no, old or new, for example. This is the equation of logistic regression. Y is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus e minus power a naught plus a1 x, where y is the dependent variable and a naught is equal to interception, which means what is the value of y if the value of x is equal to 0, and we show the interception in a graph like this. And a1 means how much y changes per unit change in x. If we decrement x, how much y changes. If we increment in x, how much y changes per unit change in it. And also y is the independent variable on which we do prediction, and x is the independent variable. And we show it like this in a graph. Here we have independent variable, which is car age, which is our x, and here we have y, which is our dependent variable, which is car is old or new. So here we don't show it like linear regression, like in continuous data, because this is not a continuous data. This is categorical data. Either it will be between 0 to 1. So here we can do half, like here 0.5, and we divide it here. Up here it will be old, and from down here it will be new. So this values is here 0, which means new, and this value here, which means old. And if somebody asks you, my car age is 5 years, what predict it is a new or old? So you directly don't do it in your mind. You will use this formula to do it. Okay, and the data could be bigger, but for example we are keeping here it's simple. So you will use simply this formula, and you also think what will the value of, how we will calculate the value of a node and a1. And this is the long process in itself, and it will take some time. So I will make a new video about it. But in exams and most of the place where you get this question, there is a node is already defined and a1 is already defined. So for example, a node is minus 1.5 and a1 is 0.6. How you will calculate this? And you have x, which age is 5 years. So you will use this formula. So this is the formula you will use. At a node you will put 1.5 here. This is 1.5. 0.6 we have here value. So we will put it at 0 at a1 here. So here it is. And we will multiply it the value we have, which is 5, which we have given. So we get 1.5. So here we get 1.5 here. So what we will do it, we will 1 divide by 1 plus e minus power 1.5. So we get 0.818, which is 82%. So we can put this here, 818, 82, here 82% will go here. So this means that this is a old card. So this is classification. We classify this, either this belong in this category, either this belong in this category. For example, in our category, this is the new one and this is the old one.
If you want more exclusive videos, or you want me to make a personal video for you, if you want me to answer your questions, you should click the top link in the description. That will take you to my school community, which is made for people who love machine learning. By doing so, you will get exclusive videos there, answers to your questions, and personally videos made for you according to your request. By doing so, you will support me and this channel because I am doing this full time and this is my only job. Thank you.